made this bird feeder in just a few minutes, and birds come back to it every day. I used ready-made wreaths, but you can also collect sticks from your garden and make them yourself by tying them together. Prepare bird food. Tie a string around each ball and attach it to the center of the ring. Hang the feeder on a tree in your garden. It's a simple and easy way to help birds find food and enjoy watching them up close every day. This is an effective way to keep raccoons away for good. They won't want to come back to that spot. Raccoons are hard to get rid of because they like returning to places they've already visited. So I use a simple method. Take one onion, peel it, cut it in half, and chop it roughly. The pieces don't need to be even. The goal is to release a strong smell that animals can't stand. Put the chopped onion into a tall jar. Next, add garlic. Its smell is even stronger and lingers in the air, making the mixture much more effective. Separate a whole head into cloves. Peel each one and lightly crush them to release the juice. Add everything to the jar, then pour in warm water until all the ingredients are covered. Seal the jar tightly and let it sit for about 1 hour so the mixture can develop. After that, pour everything, including the solids, into a bowl. Place it where raccoons show up most often, like near a fence, on the patio, or close to trash cans. The strong odor keeps them away and stops them from coming back. It's a simple, inexpensive solution I've used for years. There are no more mice and rats in my house. Grate a candle using a grater. I'll show you a unique method you've likely never heard of. Start with a regular candle, either new or leftover. It's a great way to use scraps that might otherwise go to waste. Use the coarse side of the grater to create shavings. Paraffin has exceptional properties. It's durable, moisture-resistant, and an excellent carrier for other ingredients. Transfer the shavings to a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the shavings. The aroma of sugar acts as a magnet, and its structure blends easily with other ingredients. Next, take a few walnuts, remove their shells, and finely chop them. Walnuts have a strong scent and natural oils. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts to the mixture. Thoroughly combine all the ingredients into a uniform blend. Take a sheet of aluminum foil and tear off a larger piece, then divide it into smaller rectangles. Place 1 tablespoon of the mixture onto each piece. Spread these portions near areas like balcony windows or doors. This simple homemade method helps repel rodents. This blend will keep your home free of mice and rats. Just a few drops of this, and mice and rats disappear. These rodents can't stand it. Do you also have a problem with mice and rats? Or maybe you're terrified of them and want to prevent them from showing up. This is a natural way to get rid of them once and for all. This homemade spray effectively keeps unwanted rodents away. First, grind 1 tablespoon of cloves in a grinder so the scent becomes stronger. Transfer the ground cloves into a bowl. Pour in 1 1/4 cups of warm water and add 1 teaspoon of hot chili powder. Also add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix everything well so the ingredients blend together. Strain the mixture into another container to remove the spice residue. Now take 3/4 of a cup of the extract and dilute it with 2 cups of water to get the right consistency. Pour the ready spray into a spray bottle. Spray it in the areas where mice and rats are most likely to appear. This natural spray drives rodents away with the strong scent of spices. A single spoonful is enough to get rid of moles in the garden. You can make a mixture from it that will chase away all the moles. If you have a problem with moles in your garden, try this cheap and effective homemade solution. Preparing this mixture takes just a moment. Start by heating 300 milliliters of water, which will be the base of the solution. Add a tablespoon of coffee. Its intense smell repels rodents, including moles. Then pour in 200 milliliters of vinegar, whose strong odor effectively discourages these animals. Add a tablespoon of cayenne pepper to make the solution even more unpleasant for moles. Finally, add a tablespoon of granulated garlic, known for its pest-repelling properties. Mix everything thoroughly to get a uniform solution. Before use, dilute it. 100 milliliters of the mixture is enough for 1 liter of water. Regularly pour the solution into all the molehills. Remove the top layer of soil to reveal the entrance of the mole's tunnel. Pour the prepared liquid into it. It's best to do this in the evenings when moles are most active. This natural remedy is safe for plants and pets. You can use it without worry. Try it and you'll get rid of moles once and for all. Spray a little bundle of aluminum foil with hairspray and place it by the door. I promise you, mice won't come near it. If you don't know how to repel mice, here's one of the best methods. Mice can show up in any home, especially if there's a garden nearby. It's best to prepare something that keeps them away from a distance. Mice hate a few things, so we'll make a homemade repellent from them. Get some cayenne pepper. Put a small amount in a bowl. Add some cloves. Mice hate the smell of these two spices. Drizzle them with peppermint oil, another scent mice can't stand. Lay out a piece of aluminum foil and transfer the mix onto it. Wrap it into a small bundle. To let the scent escape, poke holes in the foil with a toothpick, or don't seal it too tightly. Mice also strangely dislike aluminum foil. Finally, spray the whole bundle with hairspray. Ingredients in hairspray have a scent that effectively repels many pests. Just place the bundle by a door, window, or near your food waste bin. This mix combines several proven ways to repel mice, making it extra effective. Mix soap with popcorn, and you'll never have this one problem again. It's an amazing trick that can help a lot of people. Make some popcorn and pour it into a bowl. Let it cool down. Get a sealable container ready. Crush some of the popcorn into it. Take a regular bar of soap and grate it as finely as possible. You don't need a lot. Add it to the popcorn. The next ingredient is baking soda. Add 2 tablespoons to the mix. Close the container and shake it well to combine all the ingredients. Your mixture is ready. This is an excellent poison for cockroaches and mice. The smell of the popcorn attracts them. While eating the popcorn, they also consume the soap and baking soda. They can't digest this mixture because of the soap and baking soda. Just take a small amount and place it wherever cockroaches or mice might show up. They especially like places like the cabinet near the trash, since that's where they're usually looking for food. Be sure to use this trick during the warmer months. That's when they show up the most. Rats and mice disappear within a minute. You don't have to buy harmful traps. This method will protect your home from unwanted rodents. The first thing you need is a plastic bowl. Pour 3 tablespoons of flour into the bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of powdered yeast. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of grated cheese. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Place the bowl outside your home or by the front door. You can also sprinkle the mixture at entry points to your home. The cheese aroma will attract mice, but when they start consuming the mixture, the remaining ingredients will ferment in their stomachs. They won't be able to digest the yeast and flour, so they won't survive this mixture. I guarantee that this natural trap will work perfectly. With this simple solution, you can quickly and effectively get rid of rodents without the need for chemicals.